Hello and welcome to August 2021. It's been a while. I still can't get my 14-year-old to join me, despite trying and asking. But anyway, let's check out my back to school fix. Let's check out my back to school fix. Item 1 is, oh, that's cute. Kind of like a blouse. It is a blouse with that and then a plain back. Cute. Here's the first yellow top. Cute. I think it'll be nice for work. I like it. Item 2. Nice t-shirt. Buttons up the back. Cute. Item 3. Some shorts. They're cute. I have a lot of shorts like this, but I could use another pair, I think, if they fit. We'll see. All right, here's the striped t-shirt and the shorts. Both fit perfectly. It's sort of weird how always the bottoms that they send me fit. I don't really understand how that works. Doesn't seem like that happens at the store when I try things on, but these always fit. So anyway, so far so good. Number 4, cool. Some pants, cute. I like the color. I don't think anything's kind of turquoise. It's cute. I'm gonna try those on. Item 5. I have been rating a lot of items in the StitchFix app, and I keep rating sneakers and giving lots of thumbs up. So these are pretty cute. Little Keds. They have a little stripe on them. These are cute. Hope they work. Okay, I have the pants on and the sneakers. Not that you can see them, but they fit. They're cute. And the pants fit too. They are kind of skinny jeans. I know I'm supposed to mix that up, and I'll get there. I'll go shopping and get some non-skinny jeans, but for now I have a drawer full of them, so I'm sticking with them for now. But yeah, I think it's a keeper. See you in a few months. I'm back here. Look at this. It's for my loyal viewers. If you watch to the end, guest star. Bye.